Hi, the question we are solving belongs to test series 1 of electrical engineering. The problem belongs to signals and systems. In specific, it belongs to convolution in LTI systems. The question is numbered 10. As per the question, there is a signal xi of n, which is a generic signal. It starts from minus I and is of length Li is equal to 2i plus 1. Now we have to find the value of y of n, which may not be 0 if y of n is equal to x1 of n convolved with x2 of n. The options given are y of minus 4, y of 0, y of 4, y of 6. Out of the options given, now we have to find the value of y of n, which may not be 0. So from this we see that x1 of n has a starting point of minus 1 and is of length 3. Similarly, x2 of n has a starting point of minus 2 and is of length 5. We know that if we are given two signals x1 of n which starts from n1 and of length l1, and suppose we are given another signal x2 of n which starts from n2 and is of length l2, if y of n is equal to x1 of n convolved with x2 of n, y of n has a starting point of n1 plus n2, okay, and is of length l1 plus l2 minus 1. From this we see that y of n has a starting point of s is equal to n1 plus n2, which can be written as minus 3, and it has a length of l is equal to l1 plus l2 minus 1, which can be written as 7. So from this we see that y of n starts from minus 3 and is of length 7. So y of n is present if at all present. Y of n will be present if at all present at the instants minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So outside this range, outside these instants, we are definitely sure that y of n is equal to 0 if mod n is greater than 3. Inside this range, y of n may not be 0. May not be 0. It depends on the values of x1 of n and x2 of n. So from the given options, y of n may not be 0 at n is equal to 0. So we see that y of 0 may not be 0, hence the correct option is B.